Exciting news for Tesla fans and growing families across the United States. Tesla has officially released the highly anticipated Model YL, the long wheelbase six seater version of its best selling electric SUV. After dominating markets in China, Australia, and beyond, this spacious family hauler is finally headed stateside, with production ramping up at the Gigafactory and customer deliveries expected to begin in late September, early October. The Model YL stretches a standard Model Y by about 7 inches in length and nearly 2 inches taller, giving it a true 3 row, 2 by 2 by 2 seating configuration layout. No more cramped third rows. The comfortable captain's chair in the second row have heated and ventilated seats with adjustable positions for maximum flexibility. It's a perfect situation for carpooling, road trips, or everyday adventures with the whole family. Inside, you'll find premium touches like a larger 16-inch central touchscreen, enhanced quiet cabin insulation, and a comfort-tuned suspension for a smoother ride. Cargo space is massive, up to around 89 cubic feet with seated folded chairs. Ideal for strollers, sports gears, or weekend getaways. It keeps Tesla's signature minimalistic design, panoramic glass roof, and advanced tech, including 1 year of free full self driving supervised capability. Yes, you heard right, 1 year free with this Model YL launch series version. What about the performance and range, you ask? Well, expect a dual motor all wheel drive with 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.6 seconds, with an estimated EPA range landing around 325 miles. Yes, it's not the 400 miles that we all wanted and that we all saw in those European Model YL versions, but 325 is pretty good. With the ability to add up to 164 miles in just 15 minutes of supercharging, it's efficient, it's powerful, and it's ready for real world family duty. Also, don't forget, you get charging for a year. Pricing for the US Model YL version is around $62,000 for this premium long wheelbase. It's before incentives, taxes, and fees. That position is a smart step up from the standard Model Y premium all-wheel drive. Roughly a 4 to 5,000 premium for the extra space, seats, and features. Special launch editions packages may include extras like a multi-year FSD subscription, acceleration boost, and unique styling like the marine blue color. Whether you're upgrading from a gas guzzler or adding to your Tesla fleet, the Model Y delivers practicality without sacrificing the fun, efficiency, and innovations Tesla is known for. It's a family EV America's been waiting for. Head to Tesla's website or your local center for updates on orders and deliveries. Let us know what you think of this Model YL version. Is it your next ride? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more Tesla updates. We'll see you in the next one.